When you look in the mirror, how do you feel? Hi, it's Stacey Berger here with Mastering Your Mindset as a business and life coach. I am passionate about you living a life that you love. I believe in full spectrum success in our relationships, in our career, in our time and our money freedom, and in our health. There is a lot in the media, in our daily lives when it comes to our health. Check in just for a moment right now. How do you feel about your health? How do you feel about yourself? How do you feel about your body, this vessel? If you think about your body, it is the longest relationship that you will ever have. It's the vessel, the body that you were born into this life with, and it's the one that will take you out of this life experience. It's that longest relationship that we have. And the more that we can make that a positive relationship, the more powerful that's going to be for us. It's our health and our well-being that really carries us to enjoy the relationships, to enjoy the life experiences, to be able to have the impact that we're having on this planet. So health should absolutely be a priority. Most of us have been conditioned to look into the mirror and think negative thoughts. We look at the bits and the pieces that we don't like. And we use this pattern of beating ourselves up. If you think about the trillions of cells that are at work in your body right now, the things that are going on, that your heart is beating, that you're breathing, the cells, the information that your brain is transmitting to the different parts of your body, there are countless number of things going on right now that are helping you live this life. What if you were to start to reframe that relationship with your body? And instead of seeing the bits and pieces you don't like, start to be an appreciation for what it's doing for you. Be grateful for your eyes, that you have eyes to see this world with, that you can enjoy the colors and the different sights. Grateful that you have ears to appreciate the different sounds, the music, the harmonies. To be grateful for this incredible vessel that has been gifted to you. And as we start to love our body and appreciate our body, it really becomes this walking affirmation. Napoleon Hill, when he studied 500 of the most successful people on the planet at that time, they defined the number one wealth in life as peace of mind, and the second as their physical health. When we don't have our physical health, it's much more difficult to enjoy all of the other beauties around us, everything else that life has to offer. So give thanks. Give thanks to your body. Start to instill that new pattern of appreciation, of gratitude, of love. A great exercise to really instill this self-love is practice looking in the mirror and looking into your eyes and saying, I love you, and put your name in there. I love you, Stacey. I love you, Stacey. And by saying that repeatedly, by looking into your eyes, it'll reprogram those beliefs and that subconscious mind to really instill a pattern of love for yourself. What would self-love and self-appreciation look like in your life? You are perfect. There is perfection within you. Start to see that, embody it. Here is to your success.